Right, this is a breakdown on the KYT Strike Eagle by KYT. Now, just a bit of background. KYT brought out Xiaomi, the Italian manufacturer of the Divizioso GP helmets, and also the Mr. Jump, which is their premium motocross helmet. So essentially, it's like KTM Husqvarna, KYT being KTM. So this is their top of the line MX helmet, which is worn, or was worn by Roman Fabre, the former MXGP champion, GP2 champion. Extremely light. Now it says on the back here it's 999 gram plus or minus 50. This weighs in. Zero that out. At 1.154 grams, or 1.1 kilo and a half. Compare that to my current helmet, which is a Service. I think it's Mr. Bomb or something like that. So that's 1 point. Oops, let's get rid of you. 1.5. So it's 200 grams more. This helmet. It's 200 grams on your head. So what do you get with the KYT? So you get the safety warning, the owner's manual and warning. You can read through that. In the spares kit, you get the spare bolts and the key, which we'll go through on the vents, vent covers and visor bolts. Visor Systems, pretty simple. Just screw in, screw out. Goes down that far, or goes up that far. Nothing fancy about that. It has the ejection system, so you just basically pull that out and you'll be able to slide your person out. Venting's from here, there, front of the helmet, extractors on that side, extractors on this side, the back, but the best bit are these, which really flow air. Very similar to the Aero Aviator series, probably just as light as the Aero. This helmet I bought for 350 bucks. What's an Aero worth? 800. I'd say it's pretty much comparable to that. However, lining is excellent. It's microbial and all that type of crap. Now, the issue that I have with this is this part here. That clip system, why it looks great, it's a real pain in the ass to get in, and there is a trick to it. You've got to almost push it in and then you'll hear it click with your thumb. There you go. So we'll pull that out. Clips on the front. These basically clip off and they clip back in through that system up here. So again, it pops out. As you can see, the venting inside, from there to there, a little bit here. I reckon you could probably better to have flutes into there to direct the air out. But now, where most of the helmet manufacturers say it weighs in at under a gram or a kilo, is with the linings out. So if we put this back in without the lining, it's 1.303. So that's without the lining. So your lining gives you another 100 grams or so. Now, although it's an Indonesian-based company, the R&D, the shell, and most of the fittings are all made in Italy. Okay. Now, these extractors are excellent. What happens when it rains? KYT give you these covers, one for each side, and the process to get them off is to simply remove with the key that they give you, or if you've got an Allen key. Okay, so you just remove the mesh grills. Click the appropriate ones. Now, they're directional. So that's it. Now, as I was saying, have a look at the channels, and if you can see in there, the nice air gaps. But if you're riding in the rain, or you do carry them and you got yourself into the rain, essentially you plonk these covers on. And there you have your rain covers. Great for summer. Excellent if you're riding in the rain or snow, wherever the hell you are. Very good helmet. I'll put it all back together. Again, you put these tabs in, lock one in, these just slide in. You can hear by the clicks. That one's in. It's a bit of a push and plug underneath. So that one's in. Now these rears, again, as I said, you've got to use your thumb until you hear it click. They are painful. It's probably the worst design I've come across. You can hear that click. Just a slight little click. And that's clicked in. Tabs basically click in, seals, for ejection system, all it is a bit of Velcro. Again, a very nice helmet for $350 Australian, which I got from overseas. Nice and light. Comparable to the Xiaomi Mr. Jump. Probably comparable to the Aero Aviator 2. The iPort, I've got Oakley and 100% goggles, no problems fitting in there. Unlike the Terminators, unless you've got the open vision, these you will not have a problem. Very comfortable inside. Again, probably the only things I don't like is the clip system on the back, and probably this part. I don't know how you can remove that. You probably can. You can clean this part by just removing the chin piece, and you'll be able to clean the filter and the front screen. And that's the KYT Strike Eagle. Thank you.